All right, so we are gonna get ready to make this FERT application, and it is real simple. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna use the good old Turf Therapy app, as I always do, to confirm and make sure I'm getting the proper application done. And it makes it so simple. Couple of inputs for you to put in to make sure it can make the right calculation for you, and boom, it spits it right out. So I need a total of 1.32 pounds to get me right under or right at 3/4 of a pound of N is what I'm going to be going down with. So you know, we got the good old FeNiX here, so we're gonna go ahead and make this application. We're gonna get it done. I'll probably use a spreader that y'all have not seen me use here in my lawn. You've seen me use it in some of my reels and stuff when I was making my food plots, but it is by Spiker. It is the Spiker belly spreader, hand spreader, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm gonna use here because it's a really pretty small area. The ground is still pretty soft, so I don't really want to push my push spreader across it. So I'm gonna just use that, and it's gonna be a small amount of FERT that I'm gonna be putting down. So let's go ahead and get this FERT in here, make this application. We'll get it watered in, and we're gonna get this iron cutter jumping right before the weekend. Supposed to have some more rain showers that's gonna come in over the weekend. It's just gonna continue to help this fill in and mature. Yes, that cut on the side is nice. It's nice. Still got some leveling work that's of course gonna have to get done to it as things continue to settle. Got a little areas that were cutting a little lower than the other ones, but overall, that was nice. That was nice. And we're gonna maintain it there, and it's gonna get even better over time. All right, cool. I've got about 2.5 pounds in there. So overall, I should have about a pound left once I get done with this. So this is the Spiker bag spreader, and we're just gonna go ahead, put the handle on it. Man, mosquitoes are bad right now. All the rain and stuff that we've had, they are just terrible. But we're gonna go ahead, boom, get this handle attached, slap the guard back on, goes that way, get this poured into the bag. Good old FeNiX. I've got it on a really low setting right now, just because of it's going to be a small amount, so I may have to walk this a couple of times. I think I'm going to start with it on a 3, which should be right around 1/4 pound. So I make a couple passes across it, and we should get down the proper amount. I love how simple this spreader is. Not very complicated. This could definitely be, if you've got a small yard, like 2,000, 3,000, I mean even 4,000 square foot yard. Honestly, I think this is probably the best way to go with the quality spreader. To get a quality spreader, yeah. it was at a 1/4 pound. I just made 3 passes over it. That should get us pretty close. We are almost spot on with that. We're off by like 5/100ths. 5/100ths of a pound. That's what we talk about, good application. We're gonna do our final cleanup. All right, so now that we have all of that taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water on it, get it watered in. So just like this, it's gonna be real simple. And good old ratio, boom. We're gonna get this watered in. First cut on the side done. First fertilization on the sprigs. Getting it watered in. It's coming along. It is coming along. We're getting there. It's even gonna grow even more now that we got some food to it, and we getting some warmer weather that's coming. Get some good lower rain here over the weekend. It'll help it out, make it even better. All right, y'all, stick with me. We're growing in Bermuda here in Maryland in the transition zone. Let's see how it go. I'm gonna bring it to y'all. All right, just know we work.